Tasty Kerala Special Resam Recipe. It is one of the side dish served with traditional Kerala Sadhya. We just need 15 minutes to make this tasty recipe. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 1 tablespoon peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 dry red chilli. Crush it without adding water. Keep aside for later use. To the same grinder jar, add 7 shallots, 2 inch-sized ginger cut into small pieces, 8 garlics, 2 green chillies. Crush it very lightly like this without adding water. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Then add 2 dry red chillies cut into halves and the crushed powder mixed to it. Also add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Cook for 30 seconds on low flame. Then add crushed shallots mixture to it. Change to medium flame. Serve on medium flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 sliced tomato, add 1 cup of tamarind water. We have soaked and dissolved small lemon-sized tamarind in 1 cup of hot water and filtered. Also add 2.5 cup of water, 1 teaspoon Asafoetida Powder, 2 teaspoons salt. Mix it well. Cook on high flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, change to medium flame. Cook on medium flame for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, add some coriander leaves. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Switch off the flame. Our tasty Kerala Special Resam recipe is ready. We just need 15 minutes to make this tasty recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.